Come with me unboxing my new Dyson Airstrait.
Alright guys, so biar kayak orang-orang aja ya. Alright guys, so I'm so excited and I just really can't wait to try this product tonight because this product can straighten your hair when your hair is still wet. Alright, so this big box, it comes with the brown packaging like this. See, this is the Dyson Airstrait. Let's unbox this product. Alright, don't mind me using this big knife because I don't have the small one.
You beg me to come with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
This is how it looks like. The color is the Persian blue, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, there are three kinds of color: the pink one and then the silver one. But I decided to purchase this one because it's so classy and elegant at the same time.
You're the bad one, you always being bad. You beg me to come with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You beg me to come with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
So this Dyson Airstrait is so elegant, isn't it? Oh my god, I like it so much. So the minus thing of this product, or the things that I dislike of this product, is it has a big yet bulky cable that I don't like it because I'm kinda having a hard time to bring this device everywhere I go.
Without you.